Today we are going to be looking at sentences and discussing them to see if they make sense or not. So let's look at the top first. Jared is wearing a red shirt. Riley has. Both of these are two different sentences. I want you to think which one sounds complete and makes sense and which one does not. Jared is wearing a red shirt and Riley has. If you said that Jared is wearing a red shirt is a sentence and it does make sense, you are correct. There is enough information. We know that Jared is a person. We know he's wearing a shirt and the shirt is red. So Jared is wearing a red shirt is a good sentence. It is a complete sentence. This one, Riley has, that is not a complete sentence. We don't know what Riley has. Now we could change those words and add to them to make it a complete sentence. So if we say Riley has a toy car, now that sentence makes sense because we know what Riley has. Let's look at some more examples. Olivia is 6 years old. We know that the person is Olivia and that they are 6 years old. That sentence has enough information, it sounds right, and it makes sense. That is a complete sentence. Let's look at the next one. Mary Ellen in the chair. What is Mary Ellen doing in the chair? We don't know. There is not enough information in that sentence. It doesn't make sense. So today what we're learning and what we're going to practice is that a sentence is a group of words that makes sense. If the group of words does not make sense or have enough information, it is not really a sentence. So for your work today, you guys are going to be writing a sentence, any sentence you want, but you need to make sure it has enough information that it makes sense, that it is complete. So I want you to write a sentence on a piece of paper or in a notebook, and I want you to upload a picture of your work. If you are not sure how to upload a picture, please text a picture of your work to your teacher. And if you want to upload a picture of your work, what you need to do is take your device, put it on the camera, hold up your work in front of the camera, click the button to take the picture, and then when you go to the Google form, it's going to say upload picture, and you have to select wherever you saved that picture or took it on your device.